open Google and type Python. This is the official website, python.org. So open this website. The first step is download the Python. So go to here, downloads. You can see here for Windows, Python 3.7.1. This is the current version. And you can see one note here. If you are using Windows XP, then you cannot install after 3.5. So download this one. And now if it is for Mac operating system, you are using Mac, so you can click here, and from here you can download for Mac. So here I am using Windows. Steps are same. So I'll show you for the Windows. Click here and then it will download. So I have already downloaded. I'll cancel it. Once download is complete, open the folder where you have downloaded. So here is a Python 3.7.1. Double click, run the installation, and here it's very important to add the path. Select this option. So this will add the path in the system. Okay. Now click here, install now, and then last press yes. Now setup is in progress. Once setup is done, you can go here and type Python. And see here, this is Python shell. So you can open it. So if you are able to open this Python shell, so it means Python is installed successfully. So here you can test it. It's just a small calculator. You can see here I can add, or we can print something with this function. Now here we will not write the code here. We need editor here to save the programs for the later use. So again, go to Google, search here Pycharm. Now we download an editor. So what is a Pycharm? Pycharm is an editor where we can write the code. This is very famous editor from this company, JetBrains. Now here for Pycharm we have two options. It will provide community and professional version. So scroll down here, you can see this website, and here we have Pycharm Professional Edition and Community Edition. Professional is paid one and it provides so many options. The development will be very fast, but this is enough for learning purpose. Pycharm Community Edition is enough. So scroll down and download this. It will download. I already downloaded, so I'll cancel it. Now once download is complete, you can open the file location. Here you can see. Now double click and install this Pycharm. Run the installation. Next. And here you can see some options here. Association, .py. So you can select these options and then next. Then finish it. Okay, once it is done, now you can open Pycharm. So it will ask to import the settings. So I'll select do not import, press OK. Let's confirm, continue. And I'll just skip remaining and set defaults. So, alright. So this is your installation. Now you can create a project. And specify some name. You can see here, it'll choose the Python interpreter from here. So in next lecture, we'll see how to set up a project.